Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is our Griddler, and now we offer you our removable waffle plates, so now you can make crisp and delicious waffles in 3 minutes or less. So one of the great things about it is these waffle plates are removable, like I mentioned. So after you're done making your family a beautiful sweet or savory waffle for breakfast or even for a snack, all you have to do is remove the plates, put them in the dishwasher, and clean up as a snap. So I'm just going to fill these up a little bit so we can make waffles, and it takes about 3 minutes total. And what you do is you set your dials at about 400 degrees. I'm going to just spread this out a little bit so it's even with a little spatula. And then when we put the lid down, there you go. That's all there is to it. And you notice the outside of the housing is beautiful stainless steel. It has multiple knobs. You have your selector knob, your grill and panini knob, and also your griddler knob and the temperature settings. All you have to do is wait till the light turns green and put your batter in, and then the light will go off when it starts to cook the waffle, and then when it's green again, you know it's done. Like I mentioned, it takes about 3 minutes. And this is a great way to extend the fun and use of your griddler right at home.